Now, quickly in the next 10 minutes, I'll wrap up. LinkedIn is one way in which you can get clients, right? What have we been talking about? We have been talking about where to get clients from. LinkedIn is only one way. Very, very powerful way to get clients, but it's only one way. The next skill that you need to learn is cold emailing. What does cold emailing mean? If you have a list or a database of, let's say, 1,000 emails or 10,000 emails with you, email IDs with you, you don't know these 10,000 people yourself. But if you are able to send an email to these 10,000 people, they also do not know you, you do not know them. That is when it becomes a cold email, like a cold call that you're making to somebody who do not know you, who does not know you. But will people who do not know you open the emails that you're sending to them? Well, they will not if you are not writing the emails in the right way. If you are providing value through your emails, people will continue to open your emails, right? And when you provide value to people through emails over a period of time, you will finally end up with a list of people who may not know you personally, but they know what you do because they have been constantly getting emails from you. And they also know that you provide value. And then after a period of time, you can go ahead and plug in one or two lines stating that these are also services that you offer. And from that pool of 10,000 lists that you have, it could be 1 lakh over a period of time as well. You get opportunities, right? Now, you might be like, funny, how can I get a 10,000 list? Like, how can I get 10,000 email IDs? I don't even know 10,000 people to get so many email IDs. I have solution for every question that you might have, right? There are tools today like Hunter, Snove.io. Write it down, try it out later. One thing that you won't believe, even if I tell you right now, is all of our email IDs are publicly available on the internet. Outskill today is a 150 member team. On the internet, you will be able to find the email IDs of all the 150 plus people that work inside of Growth School and Outskill. You will be surprised to be able to find your own email address on the internet, right? That is what tools like Hunter and Snove.io do. How do they get our email IDs? Well, because we have gone ahead and entered our email ID multiple times on various different platforms. So, the question that all of you were asking about privacy and data security and all of that, it's a myth. Your email IDs are already there on the internet. You can go ahead and search it on Hunter or Snove.io and you will be able to put a few filters and find your own email ID and you'll be like, whoa, what is happening? But it is true. And that is how you can find emails of people and start reaching out to them as well. If you want to automate the entire process of finding emails, writing good emails, and sending them out, you can use tools like Lemlist and Instantly to do that. The other thing that you should all for sure do is you should go ahead and join online communities. People who have joined the AI Accelerator program already, you of course have access to the extended community of Outskill and extended community of Growth School. But all of the others, you have this incredible platform called School, which is a free community platform. Go ahead, join in. Inside these communities, you will find a lot of people. If you are able to provide value to all of these people, you will get recognized. And out of all the people that are inside the community, there will be a few founders, there will be a few CXOs who will be like, hey, Funny is very enthusiastic. Funny always helps everybody in this community. I have this use case. Can I reach out to Funny and will Funny be able to help me out with this use case? And that is how you can also get clients from these communities that already exist. Now I want to ask all of you, do you see possibilities of making money with AI with all the skills that you have learned? Was everything that I spoke about, was it helpful? These are things that nobody tells you honestly, right? Because people have this fear that I have my secret ways of making money for myself. If I go ahead and reveal it, then I might lose out my opportunities. But what I have done today is I have put it all out. Everything that people are doing is exactly this. If you want to do it, and I'll also tell you one thing, right? There are 2,000 people that heard me all throughout, right? There are 2,000 people that have heard me all throughout. Out of the 2,000 people, I'm sure there will only be 10 to 15 people that will outshine everybody. There will only be 10 to 15 people that will use whatever I have spoken so far, right? All the others will put in good words on the chat. How to join the Skool community? You can go ahead and Google it and you will be able to join in directly, right? But all of you will go ahead and put in very good words on the chat. But will all of you go ahead and implement it? I know for a fact that all of you will not, right? It takes a lot of, you know, self motivation to be able to do all of this. That is what I want all of you to show, right? Now, let me take a look at the questions. Only two questions I will answer. One is Deepak's and the other one is Ajay. Deepak's question is regarding the AI agency that you mentioned. Can you talk about who all of that? How to we my use believe go ahead and build an agency and